In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Canva. If you're looking to quickly and easily transform your designs by flipping your images, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this in just a few steps. First, you want to head over to canva.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Canva makes it simple to access your account by allowing you to log in using various methods such as Google, Facebook, or your email. Pick whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the design that contains the image you would like to flip. Browse your existing designs or start a new project if necessary. After you've located your design, open it up and let's get started. Now, by clicking on the image within your design, you should notice the image editing menu popping up right away. This makes it easy for you to know that the image has been selected and is ready for editing. You may see several options, but don't worry, we are focusing on a specific feature today. On the toolbar, look for the flip button. Sometimes, depending on your screen size or the version of Canva you are using, the flip option might be hidden behind a small drop-down menu. If you don't see it right away, click around until it reveals itself. Once you've located the flip option, you have some choices. You can click on flip horizontal if you want to flip the image sideways, creating a mirror image of your original. Or if you want an upside down effect, select flip vertical. This gives you a different perspective and can be a creative way to change the dynamics of your design. After you've successfully flipped your image to your desired orientation, the final step is to save your work. Make sure to hit that save button so all your changes are not lost. Canva usually does a great job at auto-saving, but it's always a good practice to manually save your design after making significant edits. With these steps, flipping an image on Canva is a breeze. Whether you're tweaking your own designs for fun or working on a professional project, knowing how to efficiently flip images can be a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out other Canva tutorials to enhance your creativity even further.